So this is my first attempt at welding copper with TIG. I think I've got my parameters pretty close, very clean. I've got a small filler metal. Never done this.
Let's see how well it works.
Welded fine, just cracked right away. I've sanded my filler metal.
I'm gonna try this way.
Oh, I'm not cracked out. I'm not sure why. Fully welded. A little bit of porosity in the middle in a couple spots. But it didn't crack out. My conclusion is there's a fine line between too hot and hot enough. And obviously it's going to oxidize and discolor, but I'm sure it's going to clean up beautifully. So there's the weld. Turned out pretty good. Even a full penetration on the back side. What I did different is I used a clean filler metal and a bigger one. And I Scotch-Brighted it down and it welded very, very well.